Holy shit, this car is so perfect, it'll drive its fucking self. So straight, no hands, no feet, and it's just straight as a damn arrow. This is Slay Edge Media, and today we're doing the Stage 1 tune for IE, Integrated Engineering. Let's hit the road. Alright, here we go. Woo! Woo-hoo, shit. That feels good. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Now, the Stage 1 tune just opened things up a whole bunch more. First off, I got a big ass 3.5-inch air intake tube that goes into my intake, into my turbo. So that already, like, it already kicks things up a little notch. Like, damn, bro. Another thing that I really like about it, the acceleration is a lot more immediate. You hear a lot more of that turbo going a lot as well. It's like it's spooling like you can literally hear it. It's not like just hearing it spool. You hear it like it's reaching the end of its spool. Cause it's like before I used to hear a lot of spooling, like, but now it's like you just hear the direct delivery. It's like right in there. It feels like it has real performance now. This thing be moving. So that turbo spooling, it like launches like a damn rocket. You're gone. Like, can you even hear it? Like, you hear the turbo? Like, do you hear it? This thing is amazing. It's just the fact that it flows so much better. It lets that power send right out. Woo! Like, you hear that? Like, it's like just straight, just spooling. Beautiful. The most beautiful shit ever. Like, I'm right behind the Subaru. He thinks I'm chasing him. Alright, here we go again. First off, you see how it says D1 right there? Right when you get going? And it's not in a hurry to put you right into D3. You're still in D2. See? And it goes back down to D1. Only time you go into 1 is when you come to like almost like a dead stop. You gotta be like 2 miles, 5 miles an hour for it to go back to 1. Otherwise, even when you're accelerating in like a neighborhood, as long as you don't go over 20, you're gonna stay in 2. DSG tune in Stage 1, or just any kind of tune for the Audi, I think it's amazing because what they've done with it is they just opened every single thing about it up. Because the Audi, they're super computer based, so it's like there's a reason why they say that it's super high tech. Is because there's a lot of stuff going on. You know, they're like the trendsetters. You know, there's a reason why now these days they're like one of the top brands, and that's because of the way that they implement their technology. And what a lot of these tuning companies have done is they've been able to take advantage of the full extent of what this technology is able to do, right? Just think about that. Hold on, I gotta take me a sip. Green light, make sure no one here. Let's go. And it just goes. Second gear, third. Pass everybody in that bitch. Pass everybody's fucking body. Shit, motherfucker. We're moving pretty good right here. And not to mention the Audi itself already drives super good. Like, it just drives, like, the way it handles and the way that it turns with the short wheelbase, it makes it be able to turn a lot better. And because it's a lightweight frame, that makes you be able to take advantage of that as well. So things to keep in mind when you talk about Audi. Now it feels as if the transmission stays in the lower gears. It's not in such a hurry to shift right away. It lets you enjoy the gear for a moment at least, instead of being in such a rush all the time. Here we go. Woo! And it's still in 4 right now. Still in 4. It stayed in 4. It didn't shift. Oh man, that was okay. Check this out. I didn't used to do this before, but now the fan stays on after the tune. Before a tune didn't do it.